Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell cars quickly in Grand Theft Auto 5. To begin, head over to any Los Santos Customs mod shop, which is your go-to spot for offloading vehicles. Remember, there's a cooldown period. You can sell one car every 48 minutes in the game, which translates to about 1 real-world minute. You can sell your personal vehicles, but for quick cash, focus on stolen cars, as not all can be sold. To maximize your earnings, target high-end stolen vehicles. These can fetch you a significant amount, sometimes up to $9,500 per car. It's generally not worth selling your personal vehicles if you've invested heavily in upgrades, as you won't get that money back. Instead, focus on finding luxury sports cars and SUVs in the wealthier districts of Los Santos for the best returns. When searching for valuable cars, keep an eye out for specific models such as the Galavante Baller, Lampadati Felon, or Ubermax Sentinel. These vehicles are known to provide excellent payouts. You'll find them more frequently spawning in the upscale neighborhoods of Los Santos. Try cruising through areas like Vinewood Hills, Rockford Hills, and Del Perro. Driving around these spots can often trigger the appearance of these desirable cars. For maximum efficiency, always repair any damage to a stolen car before you sell it. Even minor dents can reduce its value. Use a fast personal vehicle to quickly get to Los Santos Customs once you've acquired a valuable car. Additionally, repeatedly driving in and out of high-value areas can sometimes force the game to spawn more expensive vehicles, helping you find them faster and sell more frequently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.